Do you want to know how you can join Draftkings affiliate program? If yes, then this video is especially for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can access or join the affiliate program provided by Draftkings. Go ahead and open draftkings.co.uk on any of your browser and log into your account. Then what you need to do is click on important information, which is over here, then find affiliates. After that, click on affiliates and this affiliate program will open up. So let's create an amazing team, join the Draftkings affiliate program. If you are interested in the Draftkings affiliate program, please reach out with information on how you would promote Draftkings. An account manager will be in touch with you shortly. So go ahead and click contact us, which is over here. Then you must fill up an interest survey. So this is a Google Doc sheet. Now what you need to do is fill in your personal information, so you must go ahead and read them all. Write down your email address, please describe the property you plan on promoting, please share any relevant links you plan to use to promote. What drafting products are you interested in promoting? You can check all that apply. If you check sportsbook or casino, please include any existing state registration license information that you have. Please make sure to include license numbers from each state, and you can see there are some additional information which you have to fill. And after you fill all of this, go ahead and click submit, and soon after you click on it, some affiliate team will contact you and then you can join Draftkings affiliate program. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.